Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick video. I see this a lot, and I have a lot of people asking on a couple of my videos where I show you how to check your accounts on Facebook for activity, and the other page that I also posted where you can actually shut down your Facebook account. Because people probably while searching get to these two videos a lot. One of the questions that comes up in the comments a lot is, how do I get my Facebook account back when it's been compromised? So we talked about the different, hacks and the different phishing attempts that exist. A lot of them through Facebook Messenger, where they try to lure you into giving details of your account so they can actually take control of it. And the reason they want to take control of it is because they know they have access to your friends at that moment. And this, of course, makes the possibility of compromising your friends' accounts also. Now, if you've gone through some loop where you entered personal information, or if you chose a bad password and have no two-factor authentication on Facebook, one of the things that can happen is you lose control of your account. Somebody else takes control of it, changes the password. You have no more access. What can you do? Well, the only hope that you have is this page that I will share with you guys. It's facebook.com/hacked, and it's report compromised account. You click the blue "My account is compromised" and you follow the instructions to the best of your ability. What that will do is twofold. First of all, if you report a account and give enough detail about that account possibly being compromised, you will instantly have that account frozen, which means whoever took control will not be able to do anything once you complete a part of the information here, because the important thing is to have the correct information that they're going to ask you, and that's very important to in order to get your account back. The more details you have about your account, the better the chances of getting it back. Facebook has a very strict way of having your accounts back. And since a lot of people lie in their Facebook accounts, one of the biggest problems often is the lies, they don't remember the answers, and they have a hard time answering correctly. So make sure that you follow this to the best of your ability, and at some point, if all goes well, if you answer correctly, your account will be given back to you, and with an option to have a new password and be able to go back into it. But if for any reason some of the information is false and you don't remember the answers, things like that, it's not impossible that you lose your account. I've seen that with a few people losing their accounts and not being able to get it back at all. So the best I can say here is good luck. And this is why you never want this to happen, especially if you only put pictures in Facebook and never on nothing else. Well, you might be losing all the pictures you had on that account, which would be sad. So this is the page. I'll post a link in the description below the video. Go through the steps, and hopefully you'll get your account back if you've been hacked. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.